Welcome back to How Car USA, your daily dose of rolling luxury and high-powered machines. And today, we don't just talk about a car. We talk about a statement. This is the 2026 Rolls-Royce Cullinan, finished in an eye-blinding gloss white, paired with blacked-out details and a presence so commanding, it doesn't ask for attention, it demands it. From the very first look, the front fascia strikes like royalty. A massive black chrome grille, the signature Spirit of Ecstasy standing tall at the hood, and that LED light ring glowing around the square-cut headlamps, everything screams ultra-luxury power. Under the hood, a beast lives. The Cullinan comes equipped with a 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12, pushing out 563 horsepower and 850 Newton-meters of torque. It doesn't race. It glides. From 0 to 100 in just 4.9 seconds, this is one of the fastest luxury SUVs ever made. And all of that while riding on air suspension that makes you forget the road even exists. Step inside, and the real magic begins. Open the rear hinged coach doors, and you're welcomed into a world only Rolls-Royce can craft. Diamond-stitched tan leather, hand-finished wood trims, and Starlight headliner that turns the ceiling into a galaxy above your head. You don't just sit, you arrive. But let's talk tech. Right in front of the driver, a fully digital instrument cluster customizes to your mood. In the center, a touch-controlled infotainment system integrated with rear-seat entertainment screens, voice control, and 18 speakers that form a 360-degree immersive audio system. Need a mobile office? Done. Want rear-seat champagne coolers? You got it. And then there's the drive, buttery smooth, whisper quiet, and perfectly insulated. This isn't just a drive from A to B, this is Rolls-Royce travel, every second engineered for serenity. But don't let the elegance fool you. This SUV can handle itself, whether it's city streets, mountain passes, or even off-road. Yes, off-road. With all-wheel drive, terrain response settings, and adjustable ride height, the Cullinan will take you anywhere, in comfort that rivals a private jet. And then, the details. Laser headlights with 600 range. Lambswool floor mats. Power closing doors. And the most silent cabin Rolls-Royce has ever built. The 2026 Cullinan isn't about being flashy, it's about effortless dominance. So here's the real question. If luxury had a king, wouldn't this be his throne on wheels? If this rolling mansion blew your mind, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Would you daily drive a $400,000 SUV? Stay tuned, because at How Car USA, we bring the luxury to life.